Are you ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Welcome to Empowered Finance. Today, we're diving into 5 proven strategies to make money with crypto in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these tips will help you capitalize on the crypto revolution. Let's get started. First up, trading cryptocurrencies. Buying low and selling high can be a lucrative way to make money. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken offer tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Stay informed about market trends and use technical analysis to make informed decisions. Consider starting with popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum before exploring altcoins. Remember, trading requires time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. Next, let's talk about staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. Platforms like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot offer staking opportunities. Staking is a great way to earn passive income with minimal effort. The returns vary based on the cryptocurrency and the staking period, so choose wisely. Yield farming is another popular strategy. It involves lending your crypto assets to earn interest or additional cryptocurrency. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap are great places to start. Yield farming can offer high returns, but it also comes with higher risks. Always do your research and understand the platform's mechanics before investing. Investing in new crypto projects can be very profitable. Look for initial coin offerings, ICOs, or newly launched tokens with strong potential. Websites like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap can help you find upcoming projects. However, be cautious and do thorough research. Not all projects succeed, so it's essential to evaluate the team, technology, and market potential. Lastly, consider earning cryptocurrency through work. Many companies and platforms now pay in crypto for services like freelance writing, programming, and graphic design. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Bitwage can connect you with crypto-paying clients. This is a great way to earn crypto without initial investment. Plus, you get paid in assets that can appreciate over time. The world of cryptocurrency offers numerous opportunities to make money. By leveraging these strategies, you can start building your crypto wealth today. Which strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money and managing your finances. See you next time on Empowered Finance.